Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson 1.1, Don't Give Up. Don't give up means we should never feel disheartened or failure, or we should not stop ever on anything in our life. Now I will be explaining you poem paragraph wise. So I will read the para first, then I will explain you. So we will start our poem. First para. If you have tried and have not won, never stop for crying. All's that's great and good is done just by patient trying. In this para, the writer is telling us that if you have tried and failed on anything, whatever you have tried, so don't stop there. If you have failed, that doesn't mean it has ended there. Instead of that, you should know that if you keep on trying and working hard on it with a patience in yourself, you can achieve it with a great and good things. So you can achieve it with a good way. So just you have to work hard on it and have patience in yourself so you can achieve it. We will move on to second paragraph. Though young birds in a flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up little longer. In this para, the writer has taken the example of little birds. When a little bird first time tries to fly, what happens? They falls down. When they try again, many times they have tried and many times they have fallen down. But that doesn't mean they have stopped flying there and sat and cried. Instead of that, they kept on trying. And this through continuous effort, finally they learns to fly, and in that fly they have made themselves stronger and they are able to fly on a great height now. So when a bird is not giving up, then why we should? With that, we can understand that a small bird is working hard, trying her best. So even we can try our best to achieve our goal. We will move on to a third para. Though the sturdy oak has known many a blast and birthed her, she has risen again and grown, lofty and prouder. Now here again another example poet is giving of an oak tree. Oak tree has been bowed down many times by storms. But what happened? She has bowed down, but with that she has rised up again. She doesn't said that I will bow down there and sit. Instead of that, she stood up and grown up and made herself stronger and taller and stronger with the time. So when a tree is not bowing front of anyone and giving up, so why we should give up? Even we should understand that when a tree is not giving up herself there, so even we should work hard. Now we will move on to a fourth para. If by easy work you beat, who more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the test that you try. Here she is concluded that saying, if you have tried to win by easy way, it's not a victory. That doesn't mean that winning is having no value. But if you are facing a defeat, if you're going to lose, but in that losing you worked hard, you tried your best and you won it, that is a real achievement in the life. That will be appreciated by everyone. So by working hard and achieving is a good thing. So don't go for easy way, instead of work hard and try to achieve. So this is the Pobby Carey writer wants to tell us a simple way that don't give up. If you want to try. But if you are not able to win it, don't sit and cry. Keep on trying your best. Try many times. How many times you want to try? Keep on trying. One day you will finally get succeed. You will get achievement. So keep on trying. Don't lose hope from self. And don't give up. So I hope you all have understood the poem. Thank you, class.